If you want to remove people or groups from Google Calendar, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps on a computer so you can quickly manage who has access to your calendar and clean up your sharing settings in just a few minutes. This is especially useful if you share the calendar with a coworker, a client, a team, or a family member, and now you want to remove their access. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com in your browser, then sign in with the Google account that owns the calendar you want to manage. Once Google Calendar opens, look at the left side of the screen. Under My Calendars, find the calendar that you want to edit. If you have more than one calendar, make sure you choose the correct one because each calendar can have different people or groups shared with it. When you've found the right calendar, click the three dots next to its name. This opens a menu with additional options. From that menu, select Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the Calendar Settings page where you can manage privacy, notifications, access permissions, and sharing. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Share with specific people or groups. In this section, you'll see the people, groups, or email addresses that currently have access to that calendar. Find the person or group you want to remove. Next to their name, click the X or Remove option. Depending on your screen size or Google's layout, it may appear as a small X icon or a Remove button. Once you click it, Google may ask you to confirm the removal. If that happens, just confirm that you want to remove their access. After that, the person or group will no longer be able to view or edit that calendar, depending on the permissions they had before. And that's it. You've now successfully removed a person or group from Google Calendar. This is a quick but important way to stay organized and keep your shared calendars secure and up to date. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Google Workspace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.